mynews.studio.
A hidden virus finally exposed. Could mRNA technology unlock the path to an HIV cure?
Today is 2025-06-08. For decades, one of the toughest challenges in HIV research has been this. How do you find and eliminate HIV hiding deep inside white blood cells? These reservoirs evade both the immune system and every treatment we've had so far.
Right, and now researchers at the Doherty Institute in Melbourne have done something important. They've adapted mRNA technology, not just any mRNA, but a new type of lipid nanoparticle, to deliver instructions directly into these white blood cells, essentially forcing the virus out of hiding.
Most people know mRNA from COVID-19 vaccines. But why was it so difficult to get mRNA into these specific cells?
Because standard lipid nanoparticles just couldn't get inside the white blood cells that serve as HIV reservoirs. These cells are almost like fortresses. The new LNPX, as they call it, cracked that barrier. Once inside, it delivered mRNA that made the hidden HIV visible.
So if the virus comes out of hiding, does that mean the immune system can actually attack it?
That's the hope. The goal is to expose the virus so the immune system or drugs can finally see and clear it. This is what stands between us and an actual cure rather than lifelong management.
It's important to note, though, that we're still early in this journey. The study was done with white blood cells donated by HIV patients, so no animal or human trials yet. How soon could this reach the clinic?
Even the researchers were surprised by the results. They repeated their experiments over and over to make sure. Next, they'll move to animal studies, and if those go well, human trials. But realistically, it'll be years before this could become a treatment.
What hurdles do they need to overcome first? Safety, right?
Absolutely. The technology needs to target only HIV-infected cells, not healthy ones. They'll have to refine dosing, check for side effects, and make sure exposing the virus doesn't trigger harmful inflammation.
And then there's the bigger question. If this actually works, how do you make it accessible? Who pays? Who manufactures? And how do you get it to the places where HIV hits hardest?
That's where international cooperation comes in. We saw during COVID-19 that rapid development and global distribution are possible if there's enough funding and coordination. Patent sharing and affordable manufacturing will be key, especially for low-resource countries.
Organizations like MilMay, for example, have decades of experience supporting people with HIV. They could help advocate for access and help with rollout, right?
Exactly. And think about infrastructure, training healthcare workers, building treatment centers, making sure the supply chains are in place. We could adapt the same cold chain logistics used for mRNA vaccines.
Are there lessons from the COVID-19 vaccine rollout that apply here? Could this technology even be tweaked to fight other viruses that hide from the immune system?
Yes, and that's one of the most promising parts. The mRNA platform is flexible. The manufacturing capacity built up for COVID-19 could be redirected to HIV treatments. But communication will be crucial. People need clear information about what these treatments do and how safe they are.
With so much hope riding on this, how cautious are scientists being?
Very. While the results are promising, there's still a lot of work to do. But for the first time, researchers are seeing something as good as what we are seeing. As Dr. Seville put it, that's never happened in the HIV cure field before.
For millions of people living with HIV, this is more than just a scientific milestone. It's hope for a future with a real cure.
And that's what makes this breakthrough so significant. It's not just a lab result. It could change lives around the world.
Today, we talked about a new way to expose and potentially cure hidden HIV using mRNA technology, the hurdles ahead, and the lessons from the global COVID-19 effort that could shape the future of this cure.
Thank you for joining us as we explored the science, challenges, and hope behind this major HIV research breakthrough.
Thank you for listening. This episode was powered by the mynews.studio. Try now for free.